Alright, this is the elevator to tracks 3 and 4 at Suburban Station in Center City, Philadelphia. I believe it is an Otis, but I'm not sure. Listen to this motor. Epic motor. Elevator number 21. For those who don't know, this station doubles as an office building. So that's why it's marked as elevator number 21. These are either EPCO, SSL, or housing line. I'm not exactly sure. We'll wait for the door just to shut. Let's take it for one more ride. I want to hear that motor again. Listen to this. I'll get a cab view. It's so weird though, the cab is glass, but the shaft is enclosed. Like I said, I think this is an Otis, but I'm not sure. If anybody has access to Pennsylvania elevator records, please tell me what this is. And for those of you who want a little bit of history, this station opened in 1928, replacing the Pennsylvania Railroad's Broad Street terminal. Much like how Jefferson Station was built to replace the Reading Railroad's Reading terminal. And there it goes, and that's it.